Okay, so Kendra owns a restaurant and she charges $3 for 2 eggs and one piece of toast and $1.80 for 1 egg and one piece of toast. How much does Kendra charge for an egg and how much for a piece of toast? Well, we need to define the variables, and I'm going to say let E, we'll use them for eggs, equal the cost in dollars. So I'm going to put parentheses $sign of 1 egg. And then we can say let T equal cost in dollars of one piece of toast. Okay? So we've now defined the variables, and we can go ahead and write an equation for this. Let's see. We know that 2 eggs times the cost of each egg plus one piece of toast plus T equals $3. Okay? And then we have, excuse me, then for the other equation, we have 1 egg plus one piece of toast equals $1.80. We have the two equations. If you look at this, you can see, oh, this would actually be a really nice, easy one to do elimination with. Because if we then say, let's just subtract this whole thing, essentially what we're doing is we're saying we're going to change the sign of everything. That's what the negative outside the parentheses does. Or we can just subtract it. So we have here, we have 2 eggs, or minus 1 egg. Okay, what do we got then? We have just 1 egg. And we have then toast minus toast. Remember, we're distributing this negative through, so that becomes take it away, minus T. So T minus T just goes away. Sweet. And then, of course, here we've got $3 minus $1.80. And what are we left with? We're left with 120. And it's already solved for E, so that's great. So now what should we do? We should plug it back in. So we can take one of the equations and we can say, okay, what if we had 1 egg plus one piece of toast equals 180, and we substituted for E the price of 1 egg, and then subtracted that amount away from both sides. We would be left with then T is equal to 0.60 or 60 cents for a piece of toast. So I'm going to box this out. We're going to say toast is 60 cents, and let me put a $sign in front of that. And 1 egg is $1.20. And that's it. We're done. You can do a proof on this, and you should.